Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to Solo Garage. It has been a minute. I apologize like I do always. Just to get something knocked out. I probably should have done this a lot sooner considering Christmas is almost upon us. But we are going to be doing a tool review. Well, sort of a toolkit review, I guess. And let's have a look at the tool. Well, tools. Alright, so we have a Craftsman 25-piece screwdriver set. I think it was actually 2020's best screwdriver set. I've had this thing for a while, just haven't got around to actually making a video on it. So we are gonna open it up and have a look at everything it comes with. And I will also give you guys a price on this. Alright, so I'm sure all of you guys know Craftsman. Definitely my first brand of tools that I ever bought. Used to be able to get it at Sears. Now you can get it at Lowe's. They run about 35 bucks for this. Not a bad price. And then it comes with a 4-piece hook and pick set. I've been wanting a pick set, so that's going to come in handy. 3 offset screwdrivers and a keychain. So let's go ahead and open this bad baby up and have a close look at each one of them. Alright, let's start off with the pick set first. So here's all 4 of those. And then we even got 4 sets of torque screwdrivers. We got let's start them in order. So we got a T10, a T15, a T20, and a T25. We also got a one-off SQ number 2. I don't know if you guys can really see that. Let me try to focus that real quick. So there's that. We got our stubbies, Phillips, and flathead. I do like the color coding on it. So the flatheads have the red, and then these have the clear with the blue. The torques have the clear with the black. And then the picks were just clear all over. So I really like that. Got some more small ones. A PH0. And then 2 small flatheads. An SL 3/32 and an SL 1/8. Here we have our Phillips. We got a PH2, 2 PH2s, just different sizes. So 3 PH2s, just different lengths. All right, and then we have, what we have most of is our Phillips, flathead, sorry. We got 2 SL 1/4. What's this one right here? 3 of them. 3 SO 1/4. Let's put this one down. Got those. And an SL 3/16. So here you have your keychain flathead. I've honestly never used one of these. I mean, I'm sure they come in handy every now and then. Just if you ever in a pinch and need to screw something in or screw something out. And then we have these right here. I have no idea what these are called. Let me see if I can find it real quick. I think they call these offset screwdrivers. So it comes with 3 of those, all varying size. I don't think I need to show you guys how these work. I mean, obviously you got Phillips and your flatheads. The pick sets you always need, especially when getting out O-rings and crap like that, or cleaning out something that you don't need to worry about damaging. And then your Torx, I mean, kind of self-explanatory. But being that Christmas is coming up, it is a nice little simple gift for somebody that, if they don't have any screwdrivers or a screwdriver set, a nice one, you know, for 35 bucks you can get them this. Like I said, it is a little late considering it is the 22nd. But hopefully you guys find the video kind of useful. Just something super quick. And I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. If you guys don't celebrate, Happy Holidays. And just stay safe. Don't drink and drive. And if you guys do drink, just stay home. But again, stay safe. If you guys aren't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot. And I will see you guys on the next one.